Imagine, if you will, an AI journey through the circle of life, from the first breath of a newborn lion cub in the heart of Africa, to the last leaf falling from a centuries-old oak in a quiet forest. AI offers us a unique lens to peer into life's profound dance. We tread lightly on the delicate spiral of a snail's shell, symbolizing growth and expansion. We marvel at the intricacy of a spider's web, a testament to life's painstaking efforts and artistry. Witness the splendor of a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis, embodying the magic of transformation. Then, ponder the mystery of the salmon's journey upstream, exemplifying the relentless drive for survival and reproduction. Finally, we honor the noble cycle of decay and renewal, as the fallen tree nourishes the forest floor, and the circle begins anew. This is the circle of life, as seen through the eyes of AI, a reminder of our interconnectedness and the beauty and complexity of existence. Join us again as we continue to explore the wonders of life's cycle through the lens of artificial intelligence.